Hello guys, today I just want to show you how to download Bharati operating system. Just go to bosslinux.in. It is an open source and free of cost. You can just download and use it. You can find 4 editions over here. Go to downloads. Use any one of them. Like if you want educational person, go for EduBoss and Server Boss, and Boss 8 is a client one. So I have already downloaded it. I will show you. So these are the boot image disk of Boss Linuxes. So I already have one of the image burner, but still I will show you. Go to file info and download appropriate one. You have to just search for software. Right now I have downloaded it, I am installing it, and you can just go through the navigation part and install this software. So after installation, just launch this application. You can find something like burn and add also. You just select boot disk and give the appropriate name. Boss Linux, GNU Linux, version 8, but I will just go for Unnati, like that kind of. These are the steps actually I'm showing if you don't have disk burning software to burn bootable disk. If you have it, then just skip these steps and you just press for no. You can see something like burn and add. So add the image. After addition of image, you have to press the burn button. Okay. Then add the image to the disk, bootable disk. Then press add. After addition, you just have to press the burn button. As I said, you have already added that. I already have the software, so I will just go for right click and just burn disk image. Then I will select the drive over here, the appropriate drive in which I have inserted my empty DVD, and I will press burn. So this will burn a bootable disk to me. And you can find other further information in the video description link. Do like my video and subscribe my channel to get notifications.